Hello students, welcome to yet another topic of discussion land resources of environmental studies. In this module we will learn land as a resource, land degradation, man induces landslide, soil erosion and desertification. So coming to the first part, that is land as a resource. Earth is the only known habitat for living organisms with land and water that supports life. Land constitutes about 29.22% of the total surface area of the earth, and India shares only 2.4% of the total area of the world. So world में जितने भी land surface है उसका 29.22% of total surface area of earth इट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट लैंड्स एंड इंडिया जो है उसमें से सिर्फ 2.4% शेयर करता है. About 10% of the Earth's land area is currently under agricultural production, and the rest of the land area is shared by steep slopes, shallow soils, mountains, deserts, etc. So जितने भी एरिया अर्थ का लैंड एरिया है उसमें से सिर्फ 10% ही एग्रीकल्चरल पर्पज के लिए यूज किया जा सकता है. बाकी सब जो है वो यूज नहीं किया जा सकता क्योंकि दोज आर ऑक्युपाइड बाय स्टीप स्लोप्स, शैलो सॉइल्स, माउंटेन्स, डेजर्ट्स, ये सब है. एवर growing world population puts pressure for higher production of good grain and other crops. जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ता जा रहा है, गुड ग्रेन जो ग्रेन की क्वालिटी है, फूड ग्रेन की क्वालिटी और क्रॉप्स की क्वालिटी वो डिग्रेड होता जा रहा है. That has put heavy demand on land. So with the increasing population, the demand for land is also increasing. In addition, land is required for other developmental activities like your construction of roads, construction of buildings, urbanization. So land is also required for developmental activities. In many developing countries, new land areas are brought under a cultivation, mostly at the expense of forest. So forest जो है उसको क्लियर करके कल्टीवेशन पर्पज के लिए यूज किया जाता है बहुत सारे डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में, जैसे कि इंडिया. Though expansion of croplands has been done by clearing forest, now the croplands are used for non-agricultural purpose in the name of urbanization and industrialization. So, industrialization के नाम पे या फिर urbanization, रूरल एरिया को अर्बन एरिया में कन्वर्ट करने की जो प्रोसेस है, इसमें भी बहुत सारे फॉरेस्ट को हम लोग क्लियर कर देते हैं. In future, there will be still higher demand on land. तो जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन ग्रो कर रहा है उतना डिमांड लैंड का भी बढ़ता जा रहा है और फ्यूचर में आगे और भी बढ़ने के चांसेस है. नेक्स्ट इज लैंड डिग्रेडेशन. Land degradation is a process in which the value of the biophysical environment is affected by a combination of human-induced processes acting upon the land. So, what are the causes of land degradation? तो दो तरह का होता है, एक तो नेचुरल और दूसरा ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. सो लैंड डिग्रेडेशन caused by the natural processes and secondly caused by human activities. So first let us discuss about what are the natural causes of land degradation. First one is flood. So flood, it causes land degradation. Second one is drought, also causes land degradation. Weathering, breakdown of bigger rocks into fine smaller particles. Next is the human activities. So what are the causes of land degradation due to human activities? Land clearance such as क्लियर कटिंग एंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन। सो डिफॉरेस्टेशन अगर होगा तो फिर लैंड डिग्रेडेशन भी होगा। Agricultural depletion of soil nutrients through poor farming practices. If the farming practice is not good, then the top soil layer is removed and that leads to land degradation. Livestock including overgrazing, so overgrazing के लिए भी land degradation होता है. Inappropriate irrigation, population explosion and commercial development, so जैसे population बढ़ेगा, commercial development बढ़ेगा, तो land degradation भी बढ़ता जाएगा. Vehicle off-roading, quarrying of stone, sand, ore and minerals, so mineral extraction, ore extraction, quarrying of stones, ये सब भी land degradation की वजह से. Exposure of naked soil after harvesting by heavy equipment. Monoculture destabilizing the local ecosystem. Dumping of non-biodegradable trash such as plastics, etc. Soil degradation, for example, soil contamination, soil erosion, soil acidification, loss of soil carbon are also causes of land degradation. Climate change, man-made climate change, that is leading to sea level rises. Climate change leading to sea level rises, making once fertile area too saline. So climate अगर चेंज होगा तो फिर सी लेवल राइज करेगा. सी लेवल राइज करने के बाद पानी आ जाएगा खेतों में, तो वहाँ क्या होगा, सैलिनिटी जो है वो बढ़ जाएगा, एंड दैट ऑल्सो लीड्स टू लैंड डिग्रेडेशन. इम्प्रॉपर यूज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus. So inorganic fertilizers are used nowadays in crop fields that increases the quantity of nitrogen and phosphorus in the land, which also degrades the quality of land. So next is impact of land degradation or effects of land degradation. First one is soil erosion. Land degradation का जो इम्पैक्ट है वो पहला इम्पैक्ट है सॉइल इरोजन, मतलब सॉइल इरोजन होगा अगर लैंड डिग्रेडेशन होगा. इट इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लैंड डिग्रेडेशन. सरफेस रन ऑफ एंड फ्लड, इट विल आल्सो लीड टू डेजर्टिफिकेशन, pollution and clogging of waterways, loss of nutrients and land productivity, drought and aridity, degradation of value of land. So ये सारे है impact or effect of land degradation. Then man induces landslide. So how human activities leads to landslide. The majority of landslides are triggered by rainfall. ज़्यादातर जो लैंडस्लाइड होता है वो क्यों होता है, रेनफॉल के लिए होता है, बारिश के वजह से होता है, हेवी बारिश के वजह से होता है. However, there are also human induced landslides. The human triggered landslides were caused mainly by construction, illegal mining and hill cutting, and while the trend was global, most of the recorded landslides occur in Asia. So man और ह्यूमन ट्रिगर्ड लैंडस्लाइड्स क्यों हो रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन के पर्पज से हो रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए हो रहा है, इलीगल माइनिंग के लिए हो रहा है, हिल कटिंग के लिए हो रहा है. ऑल्सो एग्रीकल्चर, ग्रेजिंग एंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन आर कॉमन कॉजेस ऑफ लैंडस्लाइड. सॉइल इरोजन. Soil erosion is the displacement of the upper layer of soil. It is a form of soil degradation. So soil erosion is a form of soil degradation. So what are the causes of soil erosion? Soil erosion is caused by the dynamic activity of erosive agents, that is water, glaciers, snow, air, plants, animals and humans. So soil erosion क्यों हो रहा है? ये जो एक्टिविटीज है, जो एजेंट्स कुछ हैं, जो एक्टिविटीज है, किसके लिए? पानी के लिए भी सॉइल इरोजन हो सकता है, ग्लेशियर्स के लिए, स्नो, एयर, प्लांट्स, ये सारे जो है दे कॉज सॉइल इरोजन. Accordingly, so in accordance with these agents, erosion is sometimes divided into water erosion, glacial erosion, snow erosion, wind erosion, geogenic erosion and anthropogenic erosion. It is also caused by landslides, deforestation and overgrazing. Soil erosion may be a slow process that continues relatively unnoticed, or it may occur at an alarming rate, causing a serious loss of topsoil. The loss of soil from farmland may be reflected in reduced crop production, potential lower surface water quality, and damaged drainage network. Soil erosion could also cause sinkholes. Now, what are the effects of soil erosion? First of all, soil erosion leads to loss of nutrients and land productivity. So, soil erosion leads to the removal of top level of the soil, which generally contains huge quantity of nutrients which is to be provided to the plants. So, soil erosion leads to loss of those nutrients, which in turn affect the productivity of plants. Desertification. So, soil erosion also leads to desertification. So, next is desertification. So, what is desertification? Desertification is a type of land degradation in dry lands in which biological productivity is lost due to natural processes or induced by human activities, whereby fertile areas become increasingly more arid. In simple terms, we can say desertification means conversion of a productive land into desert. So, कहाँ पर अगर अच्छा लैंड है जहाँ की प्रोडक्शन, क्रॉप का प्रोडक्शन अच्छा हो सकता है, अगर वो लैंड डेजर्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, बैरन लैंड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, तो इसको हम लोग डेजर्टिफिकेशन कहते हैं. Now, what are the causes of desertification? First one is overgrazing. अगर ओवरग्राजिंग होगा, लाइफ स्टॉक ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे तो ओवरग्राजिंग होगा, ओवरग्राजिंग होने से डेजर्टिफिकेशन होगा. Deforestation, cutting down of trees also leads to desertification. Farming practices, so excessive farming practices, faulty farming practices, that leads to desertification. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides also has bad impact on the productivity of land, so that also leads to desertification. Overdrafting of groundwater is also another cause of desertification. Urbanization, land development, so developmental projects like construction of buildings, construction of roads, it also leads to desertification because that need the clearing of forest on the way. Also, climate change is another cause of desertification. Again, natural disasters like your drought, flood, earthquake, these are also causes of desertification. Soil pollution is another one, then overpopulation, then mining or extraction of minerals or ores, that leads to desertification. Global warming is also another cause of desertification. So finally, what are the effects of desertification? Farming becomes next to impossible. That means अगर desertification होगा तो फिर farming possible नहीं है, crop grow नहीं करेगा. Decrease in crop yield, the quantity, the quality of crop yield will be low. Hunger, it leads to hunger. Flooding, poor water quality, overpopulation, poverty. Overpopulation in the sense in a particular area, if desertification occurs, then people will migrate to the other areas where there is sufficient land, and there we will see overpopulation. It again, desertification leads to poverty, uh, loss of biodiversity, endangerment and extinction of species, destruction of habitats, and it also leads to migration of people from one place to another place. Peace.